Hello and welcome to i2PDF Tutorials. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to convert scanned PDF pages to text using OCR or optical character recognition. To start, click on PDF OCR. Choose your files. This feature is limited to one page at a time. You can select your language from a drop-down menu. You can also search for the desired language here. Remember, you have to select the language based on your documents. For example, my document is in English, so I'll choose the English language. If you go to Options, you can select the output file format. You can select multiple file formats. You could also remove or include images. When your file is ready, click on OCR PDF. Compare the text with the scanned image and click Download. If you want a single format, you can choose it here. If you want all the formats, you can click here. Open your downloaded file. And now you're done. Thank you for watching.